Back with another one. Hey, we got this super clean C10 that we about to do a console, kick panel, system. We got A6.5 that's going in here. Interior getting cleaned up, door panels going on, switches for the windows, a bunch of little stuff that's gonna add up. You know, 28s. You got the rear end shortened. I don't think he got a frame notch. I don't think he said it. Yeah, it don't got a frame notch, which is surprising. Deric got a frame notch. But I'm gonna get this bad boy down and get it in the shop. And I need some air in the trade line. I hope I ain't got a flat tire. I ain't had no issues. Been over a year, no issues. Let me get this thing unstrapped. We're gonna get it in the shop. Like I say, I'm doing the console, wiring the switches for the doors, system, trying to do a sub behind this skinny thing, man. There's so many different calculations and stuff. I haven't even came up with the cubic feet for the airspace, so that's something I gotta figure out. Right here, doing some 6.5s. He came with some kick panels. I was like, yeah, this gonna make my job a whole lot easier. I'm gonna do some tweeters in the dash. Come with a hole for a speaker right there. This dash not screwed in all the way. Let me see. For the C10 people, they know exactly what I'm talking about. Boom. You got a speaker right here. You gonna take that out, put a tweeter in there. They come with the speakers right there. But he covered all that up. He said, take it all out. It's cool. We'll make what we work can. We'll make what we can work. Some of that wiring gonna get touched up. Like this stuff. We need relays for the windows to go up and down. Yeah, like I say, some of that gonna get touched up. The buttons for the relay, they already came. The radio he got. All the speakers. This is what I'm about to start doing, like, because it only makes sense. And I be having issues with parts. Like, we're gonna order all your parts before your car even come. And then, like, this one I'm trying to do when I get to the official shop too, because it just kills the headache. If you get all your parts, like, we already know we're gonna need. We made a list. We need this. We go all down the list. Everything came in. All right, cool. Let's go. We can get the car, because it just kills the headache. So, say if I needed a part for this car and it was on 2 months back order, the customer gonna get the car back and the car gonna have to come back, or the car just gonna sit the whole time. Like, I don't really want to do that no more. Them parts, man, them parts be a headache, man. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a smooth, easy, quick, fast transaction with this. I already made space for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then one thing I like, man, this customer, he waited. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. He wanted to come bring the truck before the shop was even up. And I was like, nah, because the garage was small, man. I still have my table and all the tools I was using. I have space for 1, maybe 2 cars. Still have to lift. I was like, nah. He's like, nah, it's cool if you get a little scratch. I'm like, nah, you gotta wait, bro. And I was thinking he was gonna be like, whatever, forget it. I go somewhere else. But he waited. Over a year, bro. He waited. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. What's going on, y'all? SES finally back on this truck, man. I did a lot of the fab work on this truck, but I did not start the wiring. So with this truck, man, I think I can wire this truck in about 2-3 days. But that is the fast part. So a lot of people are like, man, don't take that long, blah, blah, blah. The console, the kick panels, all the drying, the sanding, that is the time part. I pulled the power and ran it in the same similar location, but I'm actually about to back it back out. And then I'm gonna put it on the fender wheel. This is the charge cable. Y'all see it, puny. I don't see no thing for the damn alternator. Like, I don't know if this alternator charging, because it was low. I don't know if he know that or what. I'm gonna call him and ask him that too. Because when the truck running, like 11 volts. Y'all seen what it was, a sound system wire right there. Snatch all that out. Like I said, we're gonna upgrade this to a 1-0. This here right here. 1-0 welding cable. Get my fuse and everything set up. But yeah, I'm gonna run it straight like that. I just want to try to organize a lot of this if I can, without going like You know, I can't go real stupid crazy if you say, no, don't touch it. Just whatever, leave it alone. It was working fine. Then that's what I'm gonna do. Run the ground, run all the wires for the lights, then run all the wires for the speakers. The amp will be mounted behind the passenger seat, the console. It's nice console. It's gonna have the buttons for the doors. You wanna go away from this style. So I got push buttons for the doors. Show y'all that. Got push buttons for the doors that light up. Oh, this the one for the console. Turn the lights on and off. Y'all see how you press it in and stay in? That's the one for the lights. This the one for the doors, maybe. I bought one of extra. So he got one for up, one for down, and then one extra of each. So one that turn lights on and off, 2 of those, and then the one for the windows, up and down, and one extra. He gave me another piece that he want me to change out since it's got to come off anyway. I'm gonna change this piece out with the air vents. Other than that, man, I'm gonna keep running my wire. Out of started some stuff, man. So this is like some cheap wiring. It was a Scotia wire fuse, ran to that. What this red wire running to, don't know. But I believe these are the wires that go to the truck. So I done cut the power wire to that. Now I got a feeling the thing ain't gonna start. Cause those wires should be running here. Yeah, you got what? 2 or 3 red wires. They should not be tied into that. Watch, I got a feeling this truck ain't gonna start. I know what it is, man. I know how to wire all these old GM cars. See, look, I already knew, man. I done opened up a can of worms. I already cut the wire, I can't put it back. Well, I could put it back, but that shit it's not right. So let me see. I'm finna see what I can do real quick, man. Okay. Further looking, that other power wire is like a junction for it. So I'm not sure why they ran that wire up there. So connect this wire back to it. Should be good. And then let's see, we're gonna upgrade this. Alright, so I just want y'all to see this. Like I said, this wire was running under the motor, blah blah blah, behind the motor. And I'm guessing this fuse is blown because when I just try to connect that to that, it come on. So this whole car is running on this. Okay. So that's like a hell to the gnaw. Car audio cable. This is CCA wire. Y'all see the dust? It warmed up already in its frame, so it won't be too long before the car don't start. Like literally the whole car, windows, fuel, ignition, the whole car is running off that wire. And it's 8 gauge, fake 8 gauge, but it's not copper. It ain't made for that. I don't even know why they sell CCA cable, because it's just fire cable basically. So this where the alternator cable was at, and running behind the motor and to the thing. So I did a big 1-0 on it, and I'm running it straight to the battery because the way that this was ran, it'll be okay. So I can just take this complete wire off because the charging cable was running here, and then this power cable here is running down to this. Y'all see it right there? That's the battery that's on the cable. I mean, cable that's on the battery. So we're doing a big charging cable to charge the battery, and everything else connect to that wire, this 4 gauge wire right here. But like I said, I want to clean all of that up. But that's something for next time that we address if the car comes back. Okay, man, it's looking a whole lot better. Like I said, I still got them green wires, but I did what I told y'all I was gonna do right there. It was some wires over here I just took out that was not going to nothing at all. I don't know what this one going to, but pull that stuff in. This is what I was saying with the gauge. It was like 11.2 the whole time. But y'all see when I put the that's weird, man. I ain't never seen that. But I still got some more cleaning. I gotta do some zip tying and all that stuff. Okay, and another thing, I wanted to run that battery cable all the way down around under the oil pan, but the pieces to do it, like the factory pieces to do it, it's not on the motor, so I had to run it behind the water pump. I do both ways, it just depends. And then I didn't think I have enough wire to do it, but I did. So that wasn't no issue. But yeah, but that's good enough. Better than what it was. A whole lot better than what it was. Whole lot. It's power wire for the system. It's gonna go right there. I'll probably have him buy another terminal set up. I don't know yet, I gotta look. But yeah, I'm gonna put that battery hold down in my notes. So get this off here. Out my way. Put all my crimping dowels up. Clean up this. Well, I'm about to jump onto the inside, wire my lights for the. I got rear speaker pods, kick panels, and the console all gonna have lights. So I got to run lights on left and right side. Then all my wires for the audio. And shoot, we'll be done. So yeah, I got a speaker going here. Y'all see? Hey, I leveled up, man. But I can't show y'all too much. I ain't letting the seat up enough. But this whole back is gonna be like a beauty panel. I'm gonna try to stick a 10 behind here, which I gotta do measurements and stuff for that. Tonight, really, I want to get to the point to where tomorrow I'm back fabbing. I want all my wiring to be set. It ain't gonna be done, but it's gonna be set for me. But tomorrow night I want to be able to. I have the speakers, the holes for the speakers cut and everything. Tomorrow night I want to be able to do a little sound test. And then I want to also have the wires done for the windows to go up and down, so I can get the door panels back on. I want to have to take that back off. But it's a whole bunch of sand, a whole bunch of fab work. It's just the rough part y'all looking at. Y'all stay tuned. All right, I got the engine bay to where I want it for now. I'm trying to jump back on the inside. The big boy Alpine, like that. So get that ready. 2 6.5 going down there. Then got a 6.5 on both sides right there. So two on each side of the console, then one in the back. And like I said, tweeters are going up in the dash. So I got to fab the piece for the tweeters. Other than that, man, get back to wiring.
I want that.
What don't you all? Yeah.